I am a farmer. I am a farmer.
I am working in my field. I am working in my field. This land was my father's. This land was my father's. I work on this land every year.
Why?
I work on this land every year.
The soil is hard. The soil is hard.
I am using a tractor. I am using a tractor.
My clothes are getting dirty. My clothes are getting dirty.
I am cleaning the area. I am cleaning the area.
My hands are muddy. My hands are muddy.
Mud is sticking to my feet. Mud is sticking to my feet. I am walking on the wet land.
Right.
I am walking on the wet land. I am preparing the land carefully. I am preparing the land carefully.
I am starting the water machine. I am starting the water machine.
The machine is making noise. The machine is making noise. Water is coming out strongly. Water is coming out strongly. The soil is becoming soft.
Yeah.
The soil is becoming soft. I am planting rice seedlings. I am planting rice seedlings. The plants are small. The plants are small.
My back feels tired. My back feels tired.
Sweat is coming from my body. Sweat is coming from my body.
My face is dirty. My face is dirty.
I wipe my face. I wipe my face.
I take a short rest. I take a short rest.
Some plants are growing well. Some plants are growing well.
The birds are flying. The birds are flying. The air feels warm. The air feels warm.
I am opening my food. I am opening my food. I am eating in the field. I am eating in the field.
I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands.
I am cleaning my body. I am cleaning my body.
I am taking a quick bath. I am taking a quick bath.
The cow is in the field. The cow is in the field. The cow is eating grass. The cow is eating grass.
I am milking the cow. I am milking the cow. The bucket is heavy. The bucket is heavy. I am drinking milk. I am drinking milk. I am holding the rope. I am holding the rope. The cow is walking beside me.
The cow is walking beside me.
The plants are standing straight. The plants are standing straight.